So my camera has different settings. Like right now, this is called the daylight setting, and basically it kind of gives a warm tinge to things. Like I guess you're supposed to use it like if you're in like, you know, direct sunlight outside. Um, so yeah, that's this setting. And then the next one, this is the auto setting, and so it's just a setting that depending on how the lighting in the room is, the camera will just basically figure it out and adjust itself. So as you can see, you know, the tone is a little bit different as compared to the other one with like the yellowish. And then this setting is called shade, and I guess you use this if you are out, I don't know, outside, obviously in the shade. Again, depending on the settings on the camera, I definitely see that my skin looks different. So like I was making the video on the Glutathione, and the setting on my camera was on the auto, to where it just, you know, it adjusts based on the lighting, so just for like natural looking colors. And then I switched over because like I was cooking and I was vlogging, and so there was like a lot of sunlight in the kitchen, so I switched over to the sunlight one, and so then I forgot to turn it back, and so then I made another video, and you know, my skin was looking like, and my skin was back to looking like this from the auto. So the auto, you guys see, has, the auto has like more of a pinkish undertone. So yeah, just FYI if you guys see my skin changing on here. So let me go get my phone so you can see what that looks like. Trying to charge it. So if we do, I guess I'll do the front facing camera. So front facing camera, I can already see it looks more golden. This is like Inception. Cameras inside of cameras inside of cameras. Then I'm gonna do the back facing camera. And then the back facing camera. So I think which one looks closer to me in real life is probably on this camera. It looks closer to when I have the daylight setting. So when I'm filming, I think I'm gonna make sure I have the daylight setting on because it looks the closest to my skin tone even when I'm on my phone. And so I think this is the closest to my actual skin. This is the problem with like, you know, trying to show someone your skin like through a lens, like depending on the lighting and the time of day, and of course the camera, and then the settings, like you're gonna look a little bit different. But obviously I want you guys to see me as close to what I look like in real life, so then when we're trying to figure out like what works, you're able to see like actual results, and I'm not like, yeah, I don't want to mislead anybody.